Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text on a Windows PC. So I'm going to open up a browser here, and I'm going to search for Sublime Text. First thing that'll come up is sublimetext.com. I'm going to click Enter. And I'm going to go to download up here. Okay. I want to download for Windows, so I'm going to click on that. Once it's downloaded, it'll either be in your downloads folder or a message will pop up. Click on the download. After prompting you to make changes to your device, this screen will pop up. I'll click Next, Next, and Install, and then Finish. Okay. Now I can go here, and I'll search for Sublime Text, and I'll open. And when I open Sublime Text, I can also right-click and pin it to the taskbar. Congratulations, you installed Sublime Text on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.